The roots of the equation 81 raised to sin square x plus 81 raised to cos square x equal to 30 is, first consider the given equation 81 sin square x plus 81 cos square x equal to 30. Consider 81 raised to cos square x. We know that sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. So 81 raised to cos square x, we can write it as 81 raised to 1 minus sin square x, and a raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So 81 raised to 1 minus sin square x, you can write it as 81 raised to 1 by 81 raised to sin square x. Substitute here 81 sin square x plus 81 cos square x equal to 81 by 81 raised to sin square x equal to 30. Next step, put 81 raised to sin square x equal to any variable, say y. And mark it as equation number 1. So given equation becomes y plus 81 by y equal to 30. Take LCM, y is same as y by 1. LCM is y into y into y. Y into y, y square plus 81 by y is equal to 30. Take y to RHS, that is y square plus 81 is equal to 30 into y, 30y. Take 30y to LHS, y square plus 81 plus 30y becomes minus 30y equal to 0. Rearrange it. Here highest degree is 2. So first 2 degree y square, next 1 degree minus 30y, next constant plus 81 is equal to 0. Second degree equation, that is quadratic equation. Solve it and find the values of y. Okay. First compare it with general equation. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is equal to coefficient of y square, that is 1. B is equal to minus 30 and C is equal to 81. Sum is equal to B equal to minus 30, product equal to A into C equal to 1 into 81, 81. Next split product and find the numbers. 1 into 81 is 81. Not divisible by 2. Next in 3 into 27 is 81 and 3 plus 27 is 30. So 3 and 27 are the numbers. Next find out the sign. For that consider sum. Here sum is minus 30. Minus 3 and minus 27. So minus 3 plus minus 27 minus 30. Next minus 3 into minus 27 is equal to minus into minus plus 3 into 27, 81. Both conditions satisfied. So minus 3 and minus 27 are the numbers. Y is equal to, consider the opposite sign. That is 3 and 27. Divide by coefficient of square term. That is coefficient of y square, 1. That is 3 and 27. Now substitute the values of y in equation 1. That is 81 raised to sin square x equal to, or 81 raised to sin square x equal to 27. 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 4 times, 3 raised to 4. So 81 you can write it as 3 raised to 4 whole raised to sine square x equal to 3 is same as 3 raised to 1. Now, a raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So, this is same as 3 raised to 4 into sine square x equal to 3 raised to 1. Base same. So, this implies 4 sine square x equal to, here exponent is 1. So, sine square x equal to 1 by 4. So, sin x equal to, here exponent is 2, an even number, plus or minus root 1 by 4, that is equal to plus or minus root 1 by root 4, that is equal to plus or minus root 1 is 1 by root 4 is 2. Sin x equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, this one you can write it as 3 raised to 4 sine square x equal to 27 is 3 into 3 9 into 3 27. 3 times, that is 3 raised to 3. Base same, which implies 4 sine square x equal to 3. So, sine square x equal to 3, take 4 to RHS by 4. So, sin x equal to plus or minus root of 3 by 4 equal to plus or minus root 3 by root 4, that is equal to plus or minus root 3 by root 4 is 2. So, here we got 4 values for sin x, that is plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and plus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Here we got positive and negative values for sine. Before the further explanation, consider sine wave. That is from 0 to pi, sine is positive, and from pi to 2 pi, sine is negative. That is 0 to pi means in first and second quadrant, sine is positive. And from pi to 2 pi, that is from pi to 2 pi means in third and fourth quadrant, sine is negative. If x is an acute angle means angle less than 90, okay, less than 90. So, first quadrant, sin x will be positive. And in the second quadrant means a value less than pi, that is pi minus x. Sin pi minus x also will be positive. And in third quadrant means greater than pi, that is pi plus x value will be negative. Sin pi plus x will be negative. And in the fourth quadrant, this is 2 pi and less than 2 pi, that is 2 pi minus x. Sin 2 pi minus x will be negative. Sin x equal to 1 by 2. And we know that sin 30 is 1 by 2, that is in radian, sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So, this implies x equal to pi by 6. First quadrant value of x is pi by 6. Second quadrant pi minus x. Pi minus x equal to pi minus pi by 6 equal to 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 6. Next, in the third quadrant, pi plus x. Pi plus x equal to pi plus pi by 6 equal to LCM is 6. So, 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. Next, in the fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus x equal to 2 pi minus pi by 6. LCM is 6. 2 pi into 6, 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi by 6. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. and we already explained sine value will be positive in first and second quadrant and negative in third and fourth quadrant. That is, first and second quadrant the value is plus 1 by 2, and in third and fourth quadrant the value is minus 1 by 2. Now consider the second case, sin x equal to root 3 by 2. And we know that sin 60 is root 3 by 2. In radian, sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. By comparing x equal to pi by 3. That is in first quadrant. Now in second quadrant, pi minus x equal to pi minus pi by 3 equal to LCM is 3. 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi by 3. Next, in third quadrant, pi plus x. Pi plus x equal to pi plus pi by 3 equal to LCM 3. 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi by 3. Next, in fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus x equal to 2 pi minus pi by 3 equal to LCM is 3. 2 pi into 3, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 and sin 2 pi by 3 result plus root 3 by 2, and sin 4 pi by 3 and sin 5 pi by 3 result minus root 3 by 2. That is, sin x equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 implies x equal to pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. And if sin x equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2, then values of x will be pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Okay. These are the values of x in the interval 0 to 2 pi.